Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and brings you the latest news from the world of astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and we're excited to have you join us on this journey through the cosmos. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating discovery that's got the scientific community buzzing. Astronomers have found 3 Earth-sized planets orbiting a binary star system called TOI 2267. This is a remarkable finding, not just because of the number of planets involved, but also because of the unique configuration of the system. Imagine 2 stars, each about the size of our Sun, orbiting each other in a delicate dance. Now, imagine 3 planets, each roughly the size of Earth, orbiting these stars individually. This is what makes TOI 2267 so special. It's the first time we've seen a system where planets are orbiting each star separately rather than both stars together. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of planetary formation and the potential for life beyond our solar system. The fact that these planets can exist in such a complex environment raises questions about the limits of planet formation and the diversity of possible planetary architectures in our galaxy. The discovery of TOI 2267 was made possible by a collaboration of researchers and telescopes from around the world, including NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey, Satellite TESSI, and the Search for Habitable Planets, Eclipsing U-Ultra Cool Stars Speculos telescope. The team used advanced software to analyze the data and confirm the existence of the planets. As we continue to study TOI 2267, we may uncover even more secrets about this enigmatic system. Will we find evidence of life on one of these planets? Only time and further research will tell. But for now, this discovery has opened up new avenues of exploration and has given us a glimpse into the incredible diversity of planetary systems that exist in our universe. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're diving into a fascinating story about the role of Jupiter in our solar system's early days. New simulations have revealed that Jupiter played a crucial part in protecting Earth from the Sun and explaining a long-standing meteorite mystery. According to researchers, Jupiter's growth created a barrier between the inner and outer solar system, preventing carbonaceous material from the outer solar system from mixing with non-carbonaceous material in the inner solar system. This divide resulted in 2 distinct types of meteorites, carbonaceous and non-carbonaceous. But that's not all. Jupiter's influence also helped to create a reservoir of material in the inner solar system, allowing planets like Earth, Mars, Venus, and Mercury to form. The simulation suggests that Jupiter suppressed the inward migration of young planets, keeping them at a safe distance from the Sun. This is particularly interesting when compared to other exoplanet systems, where gas drag tends to pull planets into very tight orbits. The researchers believe that Jupiter's protection of Earth allowed our planet to grow and evolve in a comfortable, material-rich zone, ultimately creating an environment where liquid water could exist and life could flourish. It's a remarkable story about the complex history of our solar system and the important role that Jupiter has played in shaping our cosmic neighborhood. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we wrap up today's episode, let's talk about one of the most exciting meteor showers of the year, the Taurid meteors. This shower is known for producing some amazing fireballs, and if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of 1 or 2 in the night sky. The Taurid meteor shower is active from September 10 to November 20, with the peak occurring around November 5 to 6. During this time, Earth is passing through a stream of debris left behind by Comet Encke, which is the parent comet of the Taurid meteors. This stream is filled with small rocks and dust particles that burn up in our atmosphere, producing the bright streaks of light we call meteors. What's really cool about the Taurid meteor shower is that it produces a higher than normal rate of fireballs. These are exceptionally bright meteors that can be seen for several seconds, and sometimes they even leave behind a glowing trail in the sky. The American Meteor Society says that Taurid fireballs are often colorful and can fragment as they streak slowly through the sky, producing multiple fireballs in a single night. Now, you might be wondering when the best time to see the Taurid meteors is. Well, the peak of the shower usually occurs around 2-3 a.m. local time, when the constellation Taurus is highest in the sky. But don't worry if you can't stay up that late. You can still catch some meteors in the hours leading up to the peak. As we look forward to the next few years, astronomers are predicting some exciting events related to the Taurid meteor shower. In 2025, there will be a weaker than usual shower due to a full moon occurring on the same night as the peak activity. But don't worry, in 2032, Earth will pass very close to the center of the swarm, producing an exceptional display of Taurid meteors. So, mark your calendars and get ready to witness one of the most spectacular meteor showers of the year. Remember to find a dark location with minimal light pollution, dress warmly, and bring some hot chocolate to keep you cozy while you're stargazing. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.